Hi guys, in this video I'm going to talk about how to delete your search history on Google Maps. So first of all, let's hit that subscribe and like button, it really helps me out. So hop onto Google Maps, let's open it. And what you need to do is, you can see if you're logged in over here. If there's a letter or a name at the right top in the circle. So if you're not logged in, you just can delete the app and download it again, and all your search history will be gone. If you're logged in, you're gonna click on your profile. Then you can do a few things. You can turn on the incognito mode. That means that your search history will not be saved when you're searching for locations, but it doesn't mean your history will be deleted. So let's first delete your history. Let's go to settings. Then look for maps history. And here you can see your today and wherever you've been. And now you can click on delete. And then you can click delete today, custom range, delete all time, or auto delete, and it's gonna delete every 18 months. So you can click on one of those things and it will be deleted. And as I said, if you're not logged in, you can just delete the app and download it again. I hope this helps, and if you have any questions, please let me know.